Does the current state of the stock market have you pondering over promising investment opportunities? Or perhaps you're curious about the performance of TSMC, the world's largest dedicated independent semiconductor foundry. Dive into the financials and market position of TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. Founded in 1987, TSMC has consistently carved a niche for itself in the semiconductor industry. TSMC's financials paint a vibrant picture. In the past 5 years, the company has exhibited steady revenue growth, with a compound annual growth rate of approximately 10%. The net income, too, has seen a healthy upward trend, reflecting the company's efficient cost management and profit maximization strategies. What sets TSMC apart from its competitors is its robust market position. As of today, TSMC holds more than 50% of the global market share in the semiconductor foundry business. It's a technological powerhouse, leading the industry with state-of-the-art semiconductor technologies. TSMC is the go-to foundry for high-performance chips, which are in high demand due to the ongoing global chip shortage. Furthermore, TSMC's balance sheet strength is remarkable. The company boasts a high current ratio, indicating its ability to cover short-term liabilities with its short-term assets. Moreover, TSMC has a low debt-to-equity ratio, suggesting that the company has been efficiently using its shareholders' funds rather than relying heavily on borrowings. TSMC's commitment to research and development is another noteworthy aspect. Year after year, it allocates a significant portion of its revenue to R&D, ensuring that it stays ahead in the fast-paced semiconductor industry. In the context of macroeconomic trends, TSMC is well positioned to benefit from the increasing demand for semiconductors, driven by the growth in 5G, AI, and electric vehicles. An investment in TSMC is not just about the numbers, it's about investing in a company that is shaping the future of technology, a company that stands at the forefront of the semiconductor industry with a proven track record of financial stability and technological innovation. To summarize, TSMC's strong financials, dominant market position, commitment to R&D, and strategic alignment with macroeconomic trends make it a potentially rewarding investment. When you invest in TSMC, you're not just investing in a company. You're investing in a vision of the future, a future where technology continues to evolve, innovate, and reshape the world as we know it. Remember, however, that all investments come with risks. It's important to do your due diligence and consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. And with that, we wrap up our analysis of TSMC. Hopefully, this provides some food for thought as you consider your next investment move.